of this project that is called Bonfire Night. That project came to my mind while I was in Africa for some time, and I noticed that we were really closed by lockdown, and we humans really need kind of gathering with people. Although we have a great connections with internet, and we can really talk worldwide, we still need some kind of feeling of nature and people. So after I came back from Africa, I realized that I want to do something in here, and I want to gather people that can do something together, just like to be together. Okay? And I really believe that when we are together, we can communicate, we can exchange our talents, and that makes people grow, and that makes people feel happy. So that is what I'm doing at the moment. That's Bonfire Night. But initially, Bonfire Night, it's just an event that it's opening a kind of project, which is going to be a bonfire club. And Bonfire Club is a club for conscious people and intelligent people that really disagree what's going on the world nowadays. So we want to gather offline. We don't want to use Facebook or Google. We just want to be together privately, confidentially, and we want to be stronger and stronger as a society to change something. If you really enjoy this kind of evenings on the nature, on the sunset, please follow my Instagram, Hanna and Bonfire Night and Bonfire Club. You can always join